Good morning, all of you. Now I'm going to start, now I'm going to start the lecture on CNC machine, okay, and CNC computer integrated manufacturing, in which we are going to discuss today one of the important topic, which is EDM machine, okay. So this lecture, the whole lecture will conclude with this whole lecture include the CNC EDM machine, ball screw bearing, centralized lubrication system. Okay, so I must tell you about the EDM. EDM has changed a lot. The form of manufacturing field. Okay, so the electro discharge machining, what I meant to tell. So electro discharge machining I'm telling. Okay, so electro discharge machining process is a non-conventional and non-contact machining operation. Which is used in industry for the high precision product. So what is the full form of EDM? EDM is electro discharge machining. Means machining is governed by electric discharge. So the cutting of the machine, or cutting of the workpiece will be governed by electric discharge machining. That's why it is known as the electric discharge machining, right? That's why it is known as the electric discharge machining. So EDM is known for machining hard and the brittle conductive material, since it can be made at any electrically conductive material regardless of its hardness. Regardless of its hardness. So just keep in the mind the material whichever may be that much harder, that can be machined with the EDM. So the workpiece machined by EDM, which is solely depends on the thermal conductivity, electrical resistivity, and melting point of the material, right? So the tool and the workpiece are adequately, both are immersed in the dielectric medium. And dielectric medium, what are the dielectric medium we are using? That may be the kerosene, that may be the deionized waters, and that may be the other suitable vegetable fruits. Okay. So other vegetable oil is also used as a, used as a kerosene or deionized waters, right? Okay, so this lecture will include with all those beauties of the manufacturing system, right? So I must tell you electric discharge machining. Okay, what I should tell electro discharge machining process. Okay, so electro discharge machining process is the non-conventional or non-contact type machining operation. There is no any physical contact between the machine and the tool. There is no any physical contact between the tool and the work. And EDM can machine those material which can be machined. Whatever the hard material we have, whatever the brittle material you have. So the necessary condition or the necessary condition is what? So the necessary condition is that must be the conductive. That material which has to be machined by electro discharge machining must be the conductive enough. क्या होना चाहिए? बिल्कुल conductive होना चाहिए. If it is not conductive, then it cannot be worked. It cannot be machined. Right? It cannot be machined. So if you see, if you are talking about what should be the characteristics we must have to know so far about EDM. So the process can be used to machine any work material if it is electrically conductive. So the mandatory condition is what? Mandatory condition must be this one. It must be the electrically conductive. In case of the non-conductive material, it cannot be machined on the EDM machine, right? And the material removal rate, which is one of the important parameters. So the material removal rate, which depends mainly on the thermal properties of the work material. Rather than its strength, rather than its hardness, it solely depends on the thermal conductivity of the material. So the MRR, जिसको कहते हैं आप लोग material removal rate. So material removal rate depends mainly on thermal properties of the work material, rather than its strength. Whatever the strength they have, they are not bothering. They are not bothering about their strength. They are not bothering about their hardness. They are bothering only about the thermal properties. They are bothering all about the thermal property. So now, in EDM, there is no any physical tool, and geometry of the tool is the positive impression of the hole or geometric feature machine. You are getting what I'm telling you? EDM machine में there is no any physical tool. There is no any physical tool, and the geometry of the tool is only positive impression. Geometry of the tool is only positive impression of the whole or geometrical feature machine, right? Okay, so the tool has to be electrically conductive as well. So not only work, the tool also need to electrically conductive. The tool also need to be the electrically conductive. So this is not only mandatory that workpiece must be the conductive. Okay, the tool must be the tool has to be electrically conductive as well. So the tool wear once again depends on the thermal property of the tool material. There is no any physical contact. There is no any physical contact between them, between the tool and the workpiece. So how the tool wear takes place? So the tool wear once again depends on what? Depends on the thermal property of the tool material. Depends on the thermal property of the tool material. Thermal property of the tool material. You are getting what I'm telling you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it depends on it's there is no any physical contact. That's why it's not depends on the point of contact. It depends on the thermal property of the tool material. Later on, though the local temperature rise is rather high, still due to the very small pulses on time, there is not enough time for heat to diffuse, and thus almost no increase in bulk temperature takes place. There is no any increase in bulk temperature takes place. Thus, the heat affected zone that you have already studied in metal cutting, HAZ, is limited to only 2 to 4 micron, 2 to 4 micron of the spark crater. This is only 2 to 4 micron of the 2 to 4 micron of the spark crater. So it is very less. It is very less. So the heat affected zone is very limited. And you know, when we are going to machine with the EDM, let us suppose we are having the flat metal piece. We are having the flat metal piece. Okay. Let us suppose we have the flat work piece in which we have to drill. In which we have to drill. So what will be the result? What result we will see? So we will see the result. In that case, the hole will be very accurate, and there is no any unwanted cutting takes place. There will be no any unwanted cutting takes place. So you just keep in the mind. You just keep in the mind. Okay, you are getting what I'm telling you. You must keep in the mind.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You just keep in the mind there will be no any. If you see the hole, if you see the hole that has been drilled on the flat metal piece, that hole is highly accurate. That cannot generate the same on the conventional machine like drilling machine. Conventional machine like drilling machine. So it is very, it is very, accurate machine. The accuracy of that machine will be the attended. Accuracy of this machine will be attended very comfortably, right? You are getting what I'm telling you.
Sir, it is very highly accurate machine.
Actually, all conventional machining are, if you are talking about the quality aspect, and if you are talking according to the, according to the accuracy, so all unconventional machining, nowadays you can say the modern manufacturing methods, all are accurate enough. All are accurate enough. If you are comparing the same with the, tell me, if you are comparing the same with the conventional machining, if you are comparing the same with the conventional machining, so they are having the good features of that. They are having the good features of that. However, the rapid heating and the cooling and local high temperature leads to surface hardening, which may be desirable in some application. You know what I mean to say. Let us suppose during the cutting operation on EDM machine. Okay, what I said to you, the heat affected zone that is HAZ limited to 2 to 4 micron. That is not too much. So rapid heating and cooling and the local temperature which will be influencing to surface hardening. Sometimes it is desirable and sometimes it is not desirable. Let us suppose if you are talking about some other material. So after getting those temperature, that may be suffered from some what? That may be suffer from some heat action, and that heating action may be change may change their properties due to the heating. So some of the application it is desirable, in some rest of the application it is undesirable. Some rest of the application it is undesirable. You are getting? So
Yes.
there is a possibility of taper cut and overcut in EDM. They can be controlled and compensated. Why it can be easily controlled and why it can be compensated? Because all are the very flexible machine. All are the very flexible machine, and you know the control is governed. The control is governed by program itself. Okay, and whatever the changes you have to incorporate, you must change during the running of the machine. Okay, so this machine is highly flexible, so the control and as well as the compensation both can be done at the same time. Because you know, let us suppose we have the rectangular metal sheet, and in which we have to drill four number of holes, H1, H2, H3 and H4. So what you will do is they will drill these four drills. Okay. So what they will do, let us suppose if we are having some dimensional error in H1 hole H1. So what we will do? We will just rectify them to go for the hole 2 and hole 3, hole 4 and hole 5, and they can be easily compensated during the process is going on. Okay, so you just keep in the mind, ये पूछा जाता है इंटरव्यू में, आजकल बहुत पूछा जाता है. Just keep in the mind, electro discharge machining is electrothermal non-traditional machining process. You can say it is the electrothermal unconventional machining process where the electric energy is used to generate electric spark, and material removal mainly occur due to the thermal energy of the spark. Right? Just keep in the mind. So EDM is used to machine difficult material up to what hardness that you desire, and high strength temperature resistant oil. EDM can be used to machine difficult geometry in a small batches, as well as, or you can say, even on the job shop basis. So you just keep in the mind, work material to be machined by EDM has to be electrical conductive. This is the mandatory. Somebody will ask, the tool will be non-conductive and the work will be the conductive. Can cutting is possible? We can cut those in EDM. You should tell, no, we can't cut them. We can't cut them on EDM. You are getting? You can't cut them on EDM because the tool as well as the workpiece both must be conductive, so that the electric discharge will take place. Okay, so that the electric discharge will take place. Okay, so this is independent of your hardness. This is independent of the temperature resistant LOS. Okay, so see this diagram. This diagram is showing. This is showing the voltage. This is the distribution of voltage, and this is the current. This is what? Current. If you will see, this is the rectangular blocks that has been formed. This is what? This is representing the voltage. This is representing the voltage, and this is representing the current. And if you see the setup wise, you will see this is a job which is going to machine on the EDM machine. And let us suppose this is the tool by which we are going to machine it. This is the EDM what we are going to machine. So tool is always kept on the negative side, right? Tool is always kept on the negative side, and this is attached to this workpiece is attached to the positive side, and both are immersed into the dielectric medium. And I already told you what are the dielectric medium. That may be the kerosene, that may be the deionized water, right? I already told you the deionized water. Okay, and this must be emerged into the dielectric medium. The same diagram can be seen over here. This is the symmetric diagram of the EDM. you will see this is a workpiece which is emerged into the dielectric fluid. Okay, and this is the tool electrode by which we are going to machine the workpiece, and this is the tool holder in which the tool is mounted, right? And this is applied. This is connected to the DC power supply. So the positive end of the DC power supply positive end of the DC power supply is associated with the workpiece, and the negative is associated with the tool holder. So let us suppose if the same will be asked in your examination in 12.5 or less than this, so you may write this diagram only, so that everything will be clear by this diagram. So just keep in the mind.
Yes, sir.
So you must keep in the mind in EDM, and I must tell you one more thing. You will see this. Okay, there is a gap between workpiece and the tool. Have you seen? This is a minute gap between the work and the tool. In the same diagram, you can see here. This is the gap between the workpiece and the tool. Why this gap is necessary? This is very important lecture. You must listen it very carefully, right? So you just remember in EDM, a potential difference is applied. Just keep those things in memory. Okay. What I'm telling you, in EDM machine, the potential difference is applied between what? Between the tool and the workpiece. There is a potential difference is applied between the tool and the workpiece, right? Tool and the workpiece. And both the tool and the work material are to be conductive of electricity, conductors of electricity. This is mandatory condition. So you just keep in the mind the tool and the workpiece, the tool and the work material are emerged into the dielectric medium. And generally, I told you what are the dielectric medium we are using. The dielectric medium may be the kerosene, or you can say the deionized water, which is used as a dielectric medium in which the work and the tool will be emerged. Okay, a gap is maintained between the tool and the workpiece. You will see the gap is maintained. This is the gap. The gap is maintained between this tool and the workpiece. Okay, and this depends on the applied potential difference. This gap depends on what? This gap depends on the applied potential difference. Okay, and the gap between the tool and the workpiece, this gap between the tool and the workpiece, an electric field will occur. This depends on the applied potential difference. Okay, and the gap, yes, and the gap between the tool and the workpiece, what will occur? An electric field would be established. क्या हो जाएगा? जैसे potential difference दोनों के बीच में होगा, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? The electric field will be established. But just keep in the mind, generally the tool is connected to the negative terminal. I already told you, and the job is connected. Workpiece is connected to the positive terminal. The tool is connected to the negative terminal of the generator, and the workpiece is connected to the positive terminal of the generator, right? So as the electric field is established between the tool and the work, or tool and the job, so the free electron on the tool, just keep in the mind, the free electron on the tool and are subjected to electrostatic force. This will be subjected to the electrostatic force. Okay. So if the work function, or you can say the bonding energy of the electron, if the bonding energy of the electron, okay, if the bonding energy of the electron is less, if the bonding energy of the electron is less, so what will happen? Electron would be emitted from tools. Then the electron will be emitted from this tool. Electron will be emitted from this tool. Okay. So you must, electron is emitted from this tool. That's why it is connected to the negative terminal, right? And
सर एक बार दोबारा समझा दीजिए, थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा.
Okay, I'm repeating again. Just keep in the memories, right? What I said to you, this is the diagram. This is the flow characteristics of the voltage, and this is the flow characteristics of the current. If you will see the diagram, how it is connected, I must tell you, this is the tool and this is the workpiece. Okay, by the help of this tool, we are going to cut this workpiece, right? So both are emerged into the closed vessel. Both are emerged into the spectex, and then there is a gap between these two. I already told you there must be a gap between these two. दोनों वर्क पीस और टूल के बीच में आप देख रहे हैं गैप है. ओके, सो वर्क पीस और टूल के बीच क्या है, गैप है. ओके, so there will be the gap between the workpiece and tool, and both the workpiece as well as the tool are immersed into the dielectric medium. And I already told you dielectric medium may be deionized water or kerosene, which is used as a dielectric medium in which the tool and the workpiece are immersed, right? अब हमने बताया था कि a gap, we are providing gap, we are providing the gap between the tool and the workpiece. Why we are providing the gap between the tool and the workpiece? Okay, so it depends on the applied potential difference. Let us suppose if you are applying the DC current over there, so due to the gap between the positive and the negative terminal of the generator, okay, so the gap, so due to this, an electric field would be established. Here, the electric field would be established. Clear? So the tool is,
yes, sir.
So that's what the tool is connected to the negative terminal of the generator, and the workpiece is connected to the positive terminal. I already told you. So as the electric field is established between the tool and the job, as the electric field is established here, as the electric field is established over here, in that case, okay, in that case, as the electric field is established over here, okay, what we will do? The free electron, just keep in the memory what I said. What I said, the free electron, okay, so free electron will what? बताइए. Generally हमने क्या बताया? The tool is connected to negative terminal of the generator and workpiece is connected to the positive terminal of the generator. As the electric field is established between the tool and the job, so the free electron on the tool are subjected to, free electron on this tool are subjected to electrostatic force, right? So if the work function, जिसको बोलते हैं आप लोग bonding energy, okay, so if the bonding energy of the electron is less, if the bonding energy of the electron is less, okay, you are getting what I'm telling? If the bonding energy of the electron is less, so electron would be emitted from the tool. So this electron will be, the free electron will be emitted from this tool, So that's why it is assumed to connect it to the negative terminal. So such a kind of emission of electron, is called cold emission. This kind of electron is called what? Cold emission. And you know, the cold emitted electrons are then accelerated towards the job. And these cold electrons are accelerated towards this work, towards the job through the dielectric medium. किसके through? Dielectric medium के through, tool से emit होकर, cold emitted electron will goes to the job with the help of the dielectric medium. Now, just keep in the mind, as they gain velocity and the energy, and they will start moving towards the job. They will start moving towards this job from the tool. Okay, so moving towards the job. So there would be the collision between. See, just stop the background music. Okay. So there would be the collision between the electron and the dielectric molecule. Collision किसके बीच होगा? Electron that must be discharged from the tool will be start to collide with dielectric molecules. Okay, so such collision result in the ionization of the dielectric molecule. Okay, and which depends on the work function, or you can say the ionization energy. Okay, ionization energy of the what? Dielectric molecule. Okay, and the energy of the electron thus, and the energy of the electron become. And you are getting what I said you.
Sir,
collision between you are playing music beside my lecture. How do you get it? कितनी पोटेंशियल लगा के बताना पड़ रहा है ये सब. Okay, Don't worry, I will repeat if once you lose your connection. Okay, so what I said you, such collision, so collision between what? Collision between the cold electron which must be emitted from this tool goes towards this work with the help of the dielectric medium. So the electrons available into the dielectric medium will collide with the electron which has been discharged from this tool. They will collide together, and such collision may result into the ionization of dielectric molecule. Okay, they will be getting ionized, and which depends on what? This depends on ionization energy of the dielectric molecule and the energy of the electron. So thus so the electron which is getting accelerated by ionizations, okay, more positive ion and electron will get generated due to the collisions. So this is a cyclic process. Actually, this is a cyclic process, and this would increase the concentration of electrons and the ions in the dielectric medium. So what they will do? This cyclic process will increase the concentration of electron and ions into the dielectric medium between the tool and the jaw at the spark gap. This gap is known as the spark gap, right? So the concentration would be high. So concentration बढ़ते concentration would be so high that the matter existence in this channel could be characterized as the plasma. उसी को बोलते हैं हम लोग, जब concentration बहुत high हो जाता है तो उसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं प्लाज्मा. ओके, और प्लाज्मा क्या है? The electric resistance of such plasma channel would be very less. The electric resistance of plasma channel is very less. Resistance क्या हो जाएगा? बिल्कुल कम होता है प्लाज्मा का. Thus all of sudden क्या होता है? All of sudden large number of electron will flow from the tool. तो all of sudden क्या होता है? Large number of electron will flow from this tool. Okay, flow from this tool to the jaw, and the ions from the jaw to tool and ions from this jaw to tool revert बोल रहा हूँ. Ions from this jaw to the tool. So this will be the cyclic process. So this is called avalanche motion of electron. This is what called the avalanche motion of electron. Okay, so such movement of electrons and ion can be visually seen as in the form of a spark. तो जो स्पार्क दिखता है एक्चुअली में वो क्या होता है? avalanche motion of electron है. So this movement can be seen as a spark. So thus electric energy is dissipated as the thermal energy of the spark. So this electric energy is converted into or transformed into the thermal energy of the spark. Okay, so this is all about the working of the EDM. So just keep in the mind the high speed electron, then what they will do? They will impinge on the jaw. The high speed electron will be impinged on the jaw and the ions on the tool. क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन आके जॉब पे चिपक जाएगा and ions tool पे चिपक जाएंगे. So the kinetic energy of the electron and the ion, during this movement the kinetic energy will be generated, and the kinetic energy of electron and the ion on impact with the surface of the jaw and the tool respectively would be converted into the thermal energy. This would be converted into the thermal energy or thermal energy. So such rise in temperature leads to material removal. Okay, and that temperature, the temperature may be too high. The temperature may be too high, which would be sometimes excess than 10,000. So such a localized extreme rise in temperature leads to the material removal of the workpiece. So material removal occur due to the instant vaporization. Material removal कैसे होता है? ध्यान रखिएगा, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है इंटरव्यू में. EDM में जो material removal होता है, this will be occur due to the instant vaporization of material as well as due to the melting. क्या होता है? आधे तो vaporize हो जाते हैं और आधे क्या होता है? Melting की वजह से. So the molten metal is not removed completely, but only partially. Molten metal cannot be removed completely, but in vaporization, vapor can be removed very easily. तो क्या हो जाता है? जो मेल्टिंग मटेरियल होता है वो क्या होता है, पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट, मतलब जो मोल्टेन मेटर होता है उसको पूरी तरह से हम निकाल नहीं पाते हैं, तो क्या हो जाता है, पार्शियली निकल जाता है, पार्शियली रहता है। ठीक है, तो अगर जैसे जैसे अगर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस हम विथड्रॉ करेंगे, जैसे जैसे दोनों गैप के बीच में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस को विथड्रॉ करेंगे, तो हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा द प्लाज्मा चैनल नो लॉन्गर सस्टेन। जैसे जैसे गैप बढ़ाएंगे तो गैप बढ़ाने के बाद जो प्लाज्मा चैनल चल रहा था, एक हाई एनर्जी जनरेट हो गया था, जो एवलांची मोशन हो गया था, दैट विल बी द स्टॉप, दैट विल बी नॉट सस्टेन लॉन्गर around the site of the spark, around the site of the spark. So it has been stopped sharing. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. With these few words, I will stop myself for today. Right? We will start it again. We will start it again with the new lectures, with new topics. I will continue the same.
Okay, sir.
Classes, because due to the disturbance, many of the students, they are complaining that they are not getting it properly. Okay, so I will try to repeat in coming classes. Okay, thank you all of you. Thank you,
sir.
all of you.